again. You are doing as if
Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. It's a vlog. So as you can see, I'm getting ready for work. I'm almost late, but I'm still trying to be in time. So welcome back to my channel, guys. And if you are stopping by for the first time, you're welcome. My name is Miriam. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. So as you can see, guys, I'm just getting ready for work. So I'm almost ready. I just have to do one or two things and eat, then I can be on my way. So I'll see you guys when I get to work. I'm at work now, guys. So I'm just going in. Yeah, work has already started. I just have some things to do before going to the classes I have today. Fortunately for me, I have one class today and I'm done. So I'm going home now, as you can see, guys. Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to today's vlog. Today is Wednesday, so I'm hanging out with my fellow Corp members and we have to leave very early, still pretty early here. So as you can see, I'm all ready to go. So we'll be meeting up with them at the garage. I'm going with my friend now, so we're just about to leave. We are going to don't let me ruin the surprise. You guys will see when we get there. So actually we are going on a tour, more of like an excursion. So surprise, you'll see it when we get there, guys. See you guys when we get to the location. So guys, this is my friend that we're going together, Mariam. So guys, we're on our way now. See you. Yes, so come and buy what we are selling, guys. She made that crochet short, or what's it called? And the tote bag. Huh? What's that? Bumper. Okay, see guys. Don't you want that? I think you should have. You should already have a hint of where we are going now, but still, I still won't tell you. And she made this as well. She gifted me this for my birthday, guys. So see ya when we get there. And our boss is here, guys. Chris, say hi.
something that can surprise you. Maybe you have not been aware of that. Maybe you have been hearing that. The more you talk, the more the water will be rushing. The more you touch, the more you talk.
Talk.
Okay.
Another wonderful thing that I want to tell you again. When you get to waterfalls, you will see that you will see a rainbow surrounding you. Where can we get it? The pattern that the man met you for there by then, the pattern has 7 colors like rainbow. The pattern tell the man, I will disappear, I will dismiss, but I will drop my colors down. That is how the rainbow was.
Okay.
This one waterfall, it will be a surprise for you. You may not hear this one for the first time. You may hear this one for the first time. It's a medicinal water. In one way to the other, the way you know it. Now, again, can you read this road? This unmountainable road is reached to the source of the water. It's not up to 20 minutes to get to the source of the water. But you want them to calm down.
Are we also going to go to the sun?
No, we're not. And this is waterfall. We are not worshiping like say we are worshiping like your festival. How do you call this festival? Some festival.
Okay.
But before you can see a water like this, you can see a water like that is not a spring water. It's not a river water from somewhere. It's just from the rock and comes out like that. Like the holy days, you remember Moses, that they carried the disciples, go to the promised land. When they got there, they were thirsty, they were hungry. He asked them that, please, we are thirsty. He said, that rock on your hand, knock it on the rock, and the water was comes out.
Alhamdulillah.
That is how the water was formed. So, all water form is a natural water. And then that's a pattern that I'm telling you about. He has disappeared up to today. Nobody ever sees it again.
The what?
The python. Ejola. Ejola, not Yoruba. Ṣé o gbọ́ Yorùbá dára? Ejola.
Not all of us.
Okay, no, I'm just saying this one in the form. A big snake.
Okay, one reason why I be this
python. Or anaconda. I'm playing anaconda tàbí python.
They saw it here.
Follow that.
Follow. Sorry,
It disappeared.
Follow me.
you're sorry, sir.
You
You're very sorry.
No,
Never para say you say you want to be a. One reason
Bàbá tó bí bàbá mi olódìsíkọ́fọ̀ mi yẹn ó wá rí ejò yẹn ń bẹ̀. Bàbá yẹn wá sọ pé ẹ̀yẹ fẹ́ láyé jọ in the holy days no Christian no Muslim that worship idol. Bàbá yẹn wá mú obì àbàtà láyé mẹ́ta wọ àwọn ọmọ ṣe dúró yìí náà. Bàbá yẹn wá mú obì yẹn ó dà lẹ́ẹ̀kẹ́ ní wà obì yàn wọ pátọ̀ yìí I command you with agreement wà kó bí. Because in other future people like to patronize water. I think we'll be yeah? Is it not happen today?
Yeah.
Everybody will not fear. You will fear it to go there. But you thank God. Since that for this time. And then this year, and then they spent 58 years at your warrior before they migrated to Wanere.
Wow.
And then when my forefather was died at the age of 120 years. Wow. My daddy died at the age of 95 years.
Thank you.
Including my age, it's over 200 years.
Can we walk and keep the conversation going?
I like that. I like that.
This place is indeed a huge. Yeah. It can't. Please don't let me. Hey. These people are not joking.
Afa, no one come back, nothing now. No one walk fast.
Already sweating, guys.
Are we so wrong? I will run.
What did she say?
She said, imagine we turn back, I will not see them.
God forbid bad thing. All those things we watch in movies. American movies specifically.
And Yoruba movies.
Yoruba is still.
You just see one spirit. Hey, do this place.
What if this place nobody wants it? God wants it itself.
Wow. I don't think so, please. Just stop already.
You can cause it now. And this is dry.
Yes, that's true. You know, they say during that Harmattan, things caught fire. Like even a little fire like this, it will just explode like that. You must do it. But you must give the full gist. Like I did it all by myself.
Exactly.
Nobody helped me.
But not now.
If I'm coming back to the yard now because you claim me.
This driver actually dared me. He said most especially me. You want to see how I will walk all the, that. Yes. And I want to surprise him. Like.
But the driver said the phone now. You're not
Nah.
I was okay, yeah, you will still see that. 2 kilometers ahead. Hey! Okay. We can do it. We can do it. We can do it. Okay. Okay, now I'm tired. God. Oof. I think this is the hill part. Oh God. It's not easy. It's not. Yeah. You told the Clarion Corp. No Clarion Corp has come here. Away. Honestly, I'm tired. Like, you said what? See, guys. What are they doing there? Ma'am, should we do another one here? Don't tell me you are tired though. We started it together. We must end it together. Let's just do our own day. Is it video you're doing?
And after about, how long do you work for?
I don't even know.
Say an hour 30 minutes, right?
I guess so.
After about an hour 30 minutes. But many years.
Just take a look at that leg.
Yeah, push it.
Okay. Finally. Finally. Oh God. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Let's eat, guys. Okay.
I'll be on top.
It's so narrow. Oh God. Okay. Oh. I'm tired. I'm just faking this smile. Oh. We move.
Me with you.
Yeah. Oh God.
Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. You can do it.
Whew.
Yeah, good.
Beautiful. Let's see. See, guys. Feeling the breeze. Yeah! Woo! Woo! Actually, I'm enjoying this breeze. Oh my. Ma'am, wait, don't climb up yet. Finally, surprise, surprise! We are here, guys. Yeah, so we are coming to. We are here at the Owu Waterfall.
I can see the beautiful nature.
See, guys. It's just beautiful. Very beautiful, guys. See, see, see.
My forefather was empty this place. Bàbá tí wọ́n wà mí, wọ́n ń gbé nígbà yẹn èsì ayé agbára ló wà fún káyé pé àwọn aráàlú àwọn ọjọ́
I want to go swim. Tayo, please help me help this babe. This way. Of course, now. This is why it's here.
Where is she going to?
I thought you know where I know.
There? Let's go there.
Are you going this way?
Can you wait your
Yeah.
Can you wait your
Guys, no, please. Nothing going to happen. Don't you see ladies then? You are doing as if you
Guys, I already said I won't do any more recording until we get back to the bus, but because I'm really tired, like very tired, guys. This place is far. I just had to, because I can see how it's like it's not easy. It's not easy, guys. See, they're already in the front, but I'll catch up. There are still some people on my back too. See them? There's still a whole lot at the back. So we move. Oh my goodness, this is tiring. Oh, guys, thank God. I've never been this happy to see a bus. See, yeah. Oh God, who sent me come? Good morning, guys. Welcome back to today's vlog. Today is Thursday, so I'm all dressed for CDS. So on my way now, so from there I'll be traveling. That's why you see this luggage with me. Oh my goodness, it's really heavy. So I'll see you guys when I get to the CDS. See ya. Good morning. What's going on?
I don't think there's a venue.
Huh?
I don't think there's a venue.
Hey guys, we are here.
Can we just shout happy birthday?
Happy birthday. I'm in Abeokuta now, guys. I'm at home. And look what my boyfriend gave me. He bought this beautiful necklace. It's really beautiful. I love it. Thank you so much, baby. Thank you. Isn't it beautiful, guys? Just look at it.